In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a watermark to your photos using Canva. If you've ever wondered how to protect your digital images with a watermark, you're in the right place. Whether you're a photographer, a business owner wanting to brand your visuals, or just someone who loves sharing online, a watermark can be a simple yet effective way to maintain ownership of your work. So let's dive into the process and get started. First, open Canva on your web browser and make sure you're logged in. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's a user-friendly platform with plenty of tutorials that can help you navigate. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new design. You can choose any design size that suits your needs, but today we'll focus on adding a watermark to a photo. So go ahead and upload the photo you want to work with, or pick a ready template that incorporates your image. The next step is to add text, which will serve as your watermark. On the left hand side of the Canva editor, you'll see the text button. Click on it and you'll see different options for text styles like headings, subheadings, and body text. Choose add a text box to create a new text element on your canvas. This is where you'll type the text that will become your watermark. For your watermark, you might want to use your name, your brand, or maybe even a specific slogan. Once you've decided and typed it into the box, you can customize the font style, size, and color to fit the overall theme of your photo. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, so feel free to explore until you find one that matches your style. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners of your text box, making it as large or small as you need it. After setting up your text, it's time to make it blend seamlessly with the image. This is where the transparency tool comes into play. With your text box selected, navigate to the toolbar at the top of the screen and find the transparency icon, which looks like a checkerboard. Click on it and use the slider to adjust how see-through your text is. A good watermark is visible enough to be noticeable, but subtle enough not to distract from the image itself. Lastly, adjust the position of your watermark on the photo. You might want it in the center, at a corner, or diagonally across the image. Just click and drag the text box to the perfect spot. And there you have it, your very own watermark added to your photo using Canva. By following these steps, you now have a custom watermark ready to go. This simple addition can make a big difference in protecting and branding your content online, ensuring that your creative work maintains its rightful ownership. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Canva.